This video is about setting up your first Facebook automation that will do the heavy lifting for you. You're going to go into your Make account, set up a new scenario, and click on Search for Files, Google Drive, search for files. And once you've logged in and created a connection, you will click on the module itself and find the folder that you have your content in. And from that, you're going to select files and limit it to one. So it's only going to pull one file at a time. That's finished. You hit save. Now you're going to do download a file. And what's going to happen is when this opens up, you're going to get the file ID from the first module. Save. And now you're going to add an OpenAI GPT module. And all you're going to do with this is just generate a completion. You log into your OpenAI account, choose the module. The model is, any of these models are fine for what we're doing. I was just showing you there are many. We're going to use 5.2 system. And now you're going to copy in the prompt that you've made from your project. I'm going to click and paste. There it is. And then I'm going to go down here, and we always do this. We set it to a JSON object. You turn on advanced, go from response format text to JSON object, and then you hit parsing, you hit save, and you see there's an error. So let's find the error. So we open up, oh, there it is right there. We didn't include the name of the file. We get the name from the download folder. We click on that, which is a variable. We add it into the prompt. We fix the other one. I click on name again, and it drops it in there. And what that's going to do is going to use the file name as the seed prompt for our Facebook automation, our AI agent. Now you're going to hit readjust and save. Now let's run this one time to see the output. So we hit right click and hit run one time, and you type in what a potential name of a file would be. This one's going to be, we hauled a bunch of stuff from a place in Springfield, Illinois. Hauled junk away in Springfield, Illinois. It'll be whatever you name that, whatever the image is, you're going to name it as is. My typing is not the best, so no problem. Right click, fix, hit OK, and it runs once. And you see it's running right now. Google kicked in. It's not pulling a file out of Google, it's just running this module. So you can click in here to result, Facebook caption, and you read what they wrote. And this is based on the template that we made in the free tier. Now to finish this operation, we need to add it to Facebook first, sorry. So we're going to grab upload a photo, log into your Facebook page, choose the page, which is pick up my stuff. You see it's already filled we're going to do photos. Yep, it already has grabbed the file from the Google Drive. Watch, I'm going to click on menu. It shows the data and the file name. We go down to photo caption. We're going to get that from the GPT module. You see it says result, photo caption. It's going to show an error, right? Watch. I save, it produced an error. We go back in, we click on map because it wants to save these individuals. Now it's good. Again, readjust, save. We're going to pick a file. It's going to download a file. Uses the file name to create the post. We upload it to Facebook, and now the final part of this is to delete the file because we don't want to repeat the content. So you hit delete file or folder. You're going to log in. It asked me to verify. Yep. Continue. It's verified my account. And we're going to grab the file ID. This is something you can do to make it more efficient. You hit collapse, and we're going to get it from the second module where they downloaded. File ID. Yep. Then we're going to hit save. And now align and save. You just did your first automation. I'm showing you that it pulled up one bundle. You'll see the file ID number that it grabbed. The name of the file is Clear Out the Old. It downloads it, runs it through. We're going to rename it so we know what the file is, the scenario, and name it really plainly so you know what it is. When you get more complicated, you're going to have timers in here. You're going to have where it runs and pulls a random file down. It's going to have a delay here so it doesn't keep putting it out at the same time every time. You may have where it does a like. It likes the post. You may have it set up to where it's going to leave a first comment with another Facebook page. They get really involved. There you go. Congratulations. One step closer to less drama.